Hey guys, it's the Cube Factor here. So today I'm here with a very special unboxing. The Megaminx, Shang Shao Megaminx for $7. Really good. Got it on Amazon Prime. Move the stuff out of the way. Okay, got here. Now, looks like there's these things, whatever they are. Gonna push them in and pull this out. No, we can't pull it out. Let's open it. Hopefully it has no... Oh, it has no tape! Yay! Yay, comes with instructions. Something I definitely need because I don't know how to sell Megaminxes. It's greasy, like every Shang Shao cube should be. Wait, what? What's that clicking? Can I turn corners? Nope. Wait, let's see if we can corner cut? Oh, look, a corner cut. Yeah, not too good. God damn it, this is only like $7. I am a little disappointed. So, I think we should look at the instructions. Good, they don't use any of the letters, but I don't know them. So let's look at this. Whoa. What is this? These algorithms. How am I ever going to memorize this? This is amazing. Is this the beginner solution? This we're getting across. Then the corners, which you could probably figure out. Let's study this for a little bit. I'm probably gonna download some translator apps so I can read this. Or just scan the barcode right here. So yeah, let's play with this some more. Should I checkerboard? If that's even possible on a Megaminx? No, it's not possible the way I know. Okay, it's actually pretty cool. I mean, I like it. I wish the camera was a little brighter. Oh. That's why. Give me a second. There. Okay, that's so much better. Oh man, I forgot to say first turns. Okay, whatever, but I already did them. Let's try something I want to try. How long does it take for me to do this? It might take a while. I feel it's starting to form. It's a little heavy, not that much. Yeah, I was really wondering, like, why people like hold it on a side and then do the moves. It's not that heavy. Or maybe like the speed versions. Yeah, I wish I saved it for speed version. Maybe I can get a better one if you subscribe. But if no one subscribes, then I'm not going to be able to afford another one. So yeah, if you want me to get a better Megaminx or any other better speed cubes, just leave a link to it in like a comment. Tell me what it is. And if you subscribe, I might think about getting it. Doing a review. Okay, there. That actually wasn't that bad. Let's just see. I was wondering what the extra colors they put on here was. This, and the light green. That's it. Oh, and the light blue. Basically, they just put a couple lighter colors. Oh, this looks cool. We don't have to be spinning on a point. Now, if I wonder how to solve this, you have to subscribe to the channel. But I'm actually happy that came with instructions, though. Because, you know, when you buy cubes, they usually don't come with instructions. Like the gear ball, the Cube Extreme, the fidget spinner thing. Wasn't that hard? The Pyraminx. This 4x4, that 5x5, that. Yeah, usually the more expensive cubes actually come in instructions. Or the speed brands. But still, it's a really cool video to make. My first Megaminx, I always wanted one. But still, I really like it, even though it doesn't turn the best. So, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you aren't already. Leave a like and comment below what I should do for my next video. The Cube Factor